What are you doing?
You wipe it over the window and pull a bubble. See the white? That's a bubble. That'll dry clear.
Mm-hmm. What are you using?
Micromark's Krystal Klear. I believe you could use Elmer's glue in a certain mixture, and I have used Elmer's glue, but theirs dries smoother. I don't know. They did something to the formula that's just a scotch better.
Which windows have you already done?
All those. Well, some of them are busted open. I did too many at once, and that's probably a problem.
So what do you think is the best way to do this?
You kind of have to work them and turn them upside down so they dry even, and so the bubble doesn't, because it still runs when it's in there. And that's why I can see one over here.
Can you show me the inside? Mm-hmm. Oh, I see that bubbling out.
Mm-hmm. And so what you have to do is you have to turn them over off and on. And I've got myself too many cabooses sitting here.
So what do you think is the most important aspect of making these windows with this product? Oh, look at the product. This is Micro Krystal Klear by Microscale Industries. All right. It looks like Elmer's glue, doesn't it?
Yes.
What are you using to apply it?
I'm using a toothpick. You can use all kinds of things. This is when the bubble broke on me.
Oh,
That's
I
why
see.
I
You
just
got
had
this
to
in. Show me where it was. Where's the broken bubble?
Oh, I've already re-wiped it. That's already drying clear. That's still there. That's starting the drying process. But what you have to do is you have to kind of keep turning them over to keep it smooth. The more you turn it over as it dries and it kind of runs up and down, the smoother the window is.
Well, thank you. How long have you been a model railroader?
Yeah, I don't know. A long time. 30, 40 years.
Is that how you grew that white beard?
Yeah, Santa Claus brought it to me.
Gotcha. Oh, let's see that one. Can we see it before you start?
Oh, I've already started this one. See, it's got...
Oh, I see it.
See, I was just checking it for drying even and making sure none of the bubbles popped.
Which ones are dry?
None of them are dry yet.
Okay, can you show me?
See the clearer spot in the
By your
little
thumb?
dot? Well, right there. See the clear dot in the center of that window?
Okay, that's
starting to dry.
Okay.
But what I'm going to do is what I tip them over is to kind of keep the running smooth. I didn't do the bay windows yet because they're harder to do, and I couldn't do them en masse. I'm trying to do 10 or 15 safety cabooses all at once. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them, I think.
Okay.